Welcome to the best picks. The best Makita Hedge Trimmer is probably one of the most convenient tools for maintaining your yard. With the freedom of cordless operation, you can easily trim hedges, shrubs, and bushes without being tethered to an outlet. This video will dive deep into the features, performance, and overall value of the Makita Cordless Hedge Trimmer, helping you decide if it's the right tool for your gardening needs. Number 5. Makita XHU02Z18V Cordless Hedge Trimmer. This trimmer features a 22-inch dual-action, double-sided shear blade. It's designed for precise and efficient cutting. This feature ensures a clean and professional finish. The heart of this tool is a Makita-built motor, delivering 2,700 SPM. This motor provides fast cutting speeds, making your trimming tasks quicker and easier. You'll notice the difference in performance. Enjoy up to 1.5 hours of runtime with an 18V LXT 4.0 Ah battery. This allows you to complete more work on a single charge. It's perfect for tackling larger yards. The trimmer incorporates an anti-vibration design with 5 cushions. This feature reduces operator fatigue, allowing you to work comfortably for longer periods. It makes a big difference. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures easy maneuverability. This design allows you to navigate around bushes and hedges with ease. It makes the job much simpler. What we like. This trimmer offers precision cutting with its dual-action blade. The motor delivers a fast cutting speed, making your trimming tasks efficient. If you have a large hedge or need to make precise cuts, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Trimmer is perfect. Very quiet compared to my old electric-powered one. Plows through hedges, evergreens, bushes and more. This unit is very light and easy to use. Very sharp blades out of the box. Comes with a protective sleeve so when not in use prevents getting cut inadvertently by the teeth. Makita is about quality, and that is why I buy their stuff. This one is light, sharp, and effective. Long battery life, too. Did all my hedges on one battery. Number 4. Makita XMU04ZX18V LXT Cordless Grass Shear. This is the Makita XMU04ZX, a versatile cordless tool. It's designed to make your yard work easier and more efficient. It's a great choice for maintaining your lawn and hedges. Enjoy up to 3 hours of runtime with an 18V LXT 5.0 Ah battery, which is sold separately. This allows you to work longer without frequent interruptions. It's perfect for tackling larger yards. The Makita-built motor delivers up to 2,500 SPM for efficient cutting. This ensures a clean and precise cut every time. It's powerful enough to handle various trimming tasks. Quickly switch between grass shear and hedge trimmer blades. This feature provides flexibility for different yard maintenance needs. It's a convenient tool for various tasks. The grass shear offers a 3-stage cutting height adjustment. You can easily customize the cut to your desired length. This feature ensures a neat and tidy finish. It features a 6-5/16 shear blade with dual cutting action. This design maximizes cutting efficiency, saving you time and effort. It's built for optimal performance. What we like. This tool features a quick blade change, switching from grass shear to hedge trimmer with ease. The efficient cutting action saves you time and effort. If you are looking for a versatile tool for both your lawn and hedges, this is the one. What people say. This is perfect for light work, some shrubs, some greenery. Remember to oil after use. Good maintenance results in long-lasting tools. No electric cord to drag around, one-handed, and it's very quiet. I just love this Makita with the hedge trimmer blade attachment. So much so that I purchased a second one for use in our local forest garden. With this tool, I am able to get underneath the 3-foot-tall grass blades and sort of shear the plant like a sheep. Takes about 30 minutes per plant, but it results in very little mess and I can almost take the plants down to the ground with 2 huge bales to dispose of. After cutting 2 plants, the 4Ah battery still has half a charge. The entire tool is very easy to hold and handle. Even with a larger battery, the whole thing is very light. The hedge trimmer attachment works good as well. Number 3. Makita XHU02M118V Cordless Hedge Trimmer Kit. This trimmer features a 22-inch dual-action, double-sided shear blade. It's designed for precision cutting, ensuring a clean and efficient trim. This feature helps you achieve the perfect shape for your hedges. The Makita-built motor delivers 2,700 SPM, providing increased cutting speed. This powerful motor ensures that the job gets done quickly and efficiently. It makes trimming even the toughest hedges a breeze. Enjoy up to 1 to 2 hours of run time with the 18V LXT 4.0 Ah battery. This allows you to work for extended periods without needing to recharge. It provides the power and endurance you need to complete your tasks. The anti-vibration design, featuring 5 cushions within the housing, enhances operator comfort. This design minimizes fatigue, allowing you to work longer and more comfortably. It makes the trimming experience more enjoyable. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures easy maneuverability. This design makes it easy to handle and control, even in tight spaces. It provides the flexibility you need to trim your hedges with ease. What we like. This trimmer provides precision cutting with its dual-action blade. The motor delivers a fast cutting speed, ensuring efficient trimming. If you have a large garden and need a reliable tool, this is a great option. What people say. Home use works well for pruning shrubs and smaller branches. Good battery life, runs smooth and well balanced. I truly like the freedom, how well it cuts, the quietness, as well as smoothness the Kubota runs. This trimmer is more powerful than I thought it would be and lasts quite a while. It's strong, built well and not too heavy. Number 2. Makita XHU04Z 18V Cordless Hedge Trimmer. This is the Makita XHU04Z. It's a powerful cordless hedge trimmer designed for efficient and quiet operation. It's perfect for both professionals and homeowners. The trimmer features a Makita-built motor that delivers 1,800 SPM for fast cutting. This ensures you can get the job done quickly and effectively. It's a reliable and efficient tool. With its 25 to 12-inch blade, it provides increased cutting capacity. This allows you to tackle larger hedges and bushes with ease. The design makes it easy to maneuver. The 6-speed dial allows you to match the speed to the application. Whether you need a slower speed for delicate trimming or a faster speed for thicker branches, it has you covered. This feature enhances its versatility. It operates at a lower noise level, only 86.5 dBA, up to 30% quieter than gas models. This makes it more comfortable to use for extended periods. It reduces operator fatigue. Weighing only 13.3 pounds, with two 18V batteries not included, it reduces operator fatigue. This makes it easier to handle and maneuver, even when working for long periods. This makes the tool easy to use. What we like. This trimmer boasts an increased cutting capacity with its longer blade. The speed dial allows you to match the speed to the job. If you like a powerful yet quieter tool for tackling larger hedges, this will be your best friend. What people say. Works very well, much better than the POS Black & Decker that I had before this one. The two X18V batteries give this one a lot of power and it runs forever. It has a bit of weight, but since you have two hands on it at all times, it's very usable. Number 1. Makita UH6570 Electric Hedge Trimmer. This is the Makita UH6570 Hedge Trimmer. It offers a large cutting capacity and high performance. It's designed to make your trimming tasks easier and more efficient. The trimmer features a well-balanced design, making it easy to handle. Weighing only 8.4 pounds, it reduces fatigue during extended use. The ergonomic grip design provides comfort and easy handling. This allows you to maintain control and work for longer periods without strain. Enjoy a quieter work environment with the low motor noise level. This feature makes it more pleasant to use, especially in residential areas. The two-hand operation switch ensures safe operation. The motor only runs when both grips are held, preventing accidental starts. The large, transparent hand guard provides a clear view of the work area. This helps you to trim with precision and accuracy. What we like. This trimmer provides a large cutting capacity for tackling bigger jobs. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. If you are looking for a corded electric trimmer that is easy to handle and provides a good view of the work area, consider this. What people say. The Makita trimmer has a 4.8 amp motor which provides adequate power without being too heavy. The safety features work well without burdening the user too much, and the multiple hand grips for the back hand are useful as well. The Makita blade is wicked sharp and, at 25 inches in length, can reach quite a ways across a large shrub. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.